Yeah, I will kill him. Oh, suddenly the eyes turn blue. Okay, change my mind. Put him down. Of course, do as you told the other guy. And what to expect? He kills his own friend.
Is it possible? Is such a thing possible?
It is possible.
What? Eh?
Be careful. Penetrate your finger.
पाँव भींच के चलने होते वरना फिसल जाओगे.
Hi.
Let's see what we exactly mean by hypnotizing somebody.
So, Noku Varmam or Noku Marmam. If I'm not wrong, it is like two words, Noku and Marmam. Noku, I know, it is to see, right? But what is Marmam?
Marmam is the vital point.
Okay, vital point. And in this technique, like, so what exactly is Noku Varmam? क्या होता है ये देख के कैसे आप vital point से कैसे मार सकते?
Your vital point, one is physical and others is, it is mind, so you can treat as vital point.
Okay, the mind itself, like the solar plexus or different kinds of physical vital points,
Yeah.
you can treat the mind also as a vital point.
Vital.
Wow, that is a very new theory.
Mind. You can control others' mind.
Oh.
Well, that was hard to digest. Let's start from basics.
So before jumping on to actually controlling somebody's mind, मतलब इन सब सारी ऐसी कॉम्प्लेक्स चीजों से पहले हमें कुछ चीजों का ज्ञान होना जरूरी है. जैसे कि आजकल मेडिकल साइंस में भी they use these hypnotic techniques, right? There are hypnotism is real. I mean, at least for the medical purpose, when somebody is unconscious, or there are things like you can give some medicine and then he will speak only the truth. There are things like that, right? And if I'm not wrong, even in the police station, right? A criminal, they are saying such things so that he is physically and also mentally trapped in his own words. So it is kind of mentally controlling him, and he will say the real things, right?
Yeah,
So that is also one kind of a hypnotism, right?
Hypnotism.
So it's partially real, but let's see how it works.
So how this actually works is like you have to give attention, right? You have to involve yourself. बहुत सारी दिमाग लगाना है, अपना पूरा life लगाना है. When you keep observing things and when you keep giving more attention to things, right?
Yeah. So when you can even master on a punch. You keep
Okay,
on
in the
practice.
martial arts, yes.
You keep on punch. There is kind of power you can.
Oh, not just a punch. The punch is having something different. When
Yeah,
you give too much involvement.
Like Bruce Lee.
Yes, Bruce Lee. His sidekick was not just a sidekick. It was something more than that, right?
Yeah,
He's
that
giving too much attention to that. I know this all might sound like a fake martial art and things all fairy tale-ish, but still, you have seen your own mother, right? When you're sitting on the dining table and you need water, before you know, mother will give water. Because mother knows that what her child needs. Mother is that much, even physically, mentally, and that much giving attention. She is like fully attentive to you. Mother knows when you are hungry. Mother knows when you are thirsty. Why? Because there is a dimension, different thing. Mother itself is a different thing, right?
Yes.
So because mother is so much involved with us, we call her a mother. So I'm asking you, think, like use your brain. And you can think, if mother has so much involvement and she knows her child's mind, why can't you have involvement with the weather and know, is it going to rain? Why can't you have involvement with a plant and know whether it's going to live? Or like a fruit, is it good for us to eat? Like in the special forces, and like these are real things. The police officers, the special forces officers, they are trained. So before the rain comes, they know, they can smell, and they know something is going to happen. Rain is going to come. It is not some sixth sense. It is so much giving, so much attention. You're spending your life on that process. You're giving so much attention. You know, not before an attack is going to happen, but still there is a silence. There is an odd silence you see in movies. There's an odd silence because there's in this Commando movie, Arnold Schwarzenegger, he says that is something like up down wind or something. What does he say that? Yes, there's something different. He's not smelling them coming, but still, because he's been there in the war field so many times, he knows what is happening. So it is all about giving attention.
Yes. Of course, you can master the things like punch. When you start, you cannot give that much of power.
Yes, you have to involve.
Yeah, you involve yourself, and at the end of the day, you can feel
Yes.
the power concentrated. You're focused on the tip of your
Yes.
knuckle.
Like a beginner punch.
Yeah,
and there's a difference between a professional punch, right?
Train punch. The same thing, you can also train your mind. You can control others. You can.
Oh, that is something very advanced, right?
It is advanced. Definitely, it is.
Something you can try yourself, superpowers.
So I do this when I talk with my students, the friends.
Okay.
They will be astonished that I can guess what they're doing. They are whether in the bathroom. I
Oh,
say,
when they're calling, right?
Yeah, I said,
Okay.
Oh, you have to wash your hands properly. What are you doing?
Okay.
This kind of thing.
Yes, if I'm not wrong, this is not superpower.
Yeah.
But it's like too much attention if you're giving. You can guess what the person is doing by the way he talks, by the speed of his talking, or by the relaxed mode. You can tell whether he's in the bathroom or he's busy with something else, right? It is not just sixth sense. It is like too much attention to the way he talks. Like body language, there is also the normal speaking language, right? Just like you can lip read somebody, right? Just by noticing his body language and the way he moves his lips.
It's time to use it in martial art.
So martial art is, when we fight, we look at each other's eyes.
Okay.
Okay. You can guess what I am going to do.
Like
what
a
I'm
punch
doing.
is coming.
Yes.
Punch.
I'm supposed to do a punch, throw a
Okay.
punch.
Okay.
So again, what I'm going to do is
I don't know. Okay, I don't know.
like that. So suppose it is a sort of guess you can imagine.
You're practicing every day. If you're practicing every day, you know what I'm talking about. If I'm going like this, you know a jab or a back fist or something kind of a punch is coming. If I'm preparing like this, I'm putting my body weight back, you know a kick is coming. You know that, right? Because not most of the time this kind of planning works. Because in a real fight, most of the time it is luck or your intention or it is all these things come into play.
Perfect.
So martial artists use this kind of, even in self-defense, you can just judge the situation like this person is drunk and he can be like a danger to me. So you can just move away from that. That itself is good, right?
That is self-defense itself. It's a kind of stay out of the danger.
Okay.
It is not the face
To
the
fight,
danger.
yes.
To
Martial art and self-defense are two different
things.
Yes, martial arts is like you can practice your self-defense skills with other practitioners. But self-defense is just move, avoid the situation.
Yeah.
So is something like this possible in today's world also?
So is it possible in today's day and age?
Today's days and age, not possible. It is a bit difficult.
Difficult because nowadays we are living in cities and leave the kind of intuitive senses. Just our normal smelling and hearing itself is gone because we are living in cities.
Yeah.
And ये शहर में जितने शोर होते हैं क्या बोलते हैं 24 hours the गाड़ियों में and they are blowing a bang bang and everything is happening in front of your house. Maybe there is a stinking garbage dump and
You lost already all the senses.
this was more possible in a time when people used to live in quiet places. Like, I don't know if it is audible in camera. You can, if you come closer, there is a sound like some insect is saying, right? Can you see? Okay. So this kind of atmosphere is very important. Like if you are in a quiet place, you already are opening your senses. You can smell, you can hear.
If you observe, you can even tell difference in energies.
As you can see, this is the Rudraksh Mala, held very steadily. I am not trying to rotate it. And when it is kept on something like a garlic or onion, it always rotates in anti-clockwise direction. You can see this direction. It's always going like this. And here is a Rudraksh Mala held very steadily on top of what do you call it? Amrut. It is just a fruit, just representing natural fruits without any toxic or negative pranic energies. So in this one you can see the rotation is clockwise. If you are thinking I am faking this, try this for yourself. Get the Rudraksh and give something negative pranic like an onion or a garlic and take a fruit, a guava or apple or mango or anything like that. It will be different rotations. It will be clockwise in a fruit and anti-clockwise in something like this. ये पुराने हमारे ऋषि मुनि जो होते थे वो जंगल में जाते थे उनको क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना वो ऐसे जज करते थे. अगर एक गिलास के दूध के ऊपर अगर आप लगाएं रुद्राक्ष तो क्लॉकवाइज जाएगा. उसमें एक बूंद पॉइजन डाल दो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज जाएगा. लेकिन डालने के बाद वो फेंक जरूर देना, किसी को पिला मत देना। तो क्या होता है कि मतलब देर आर नॉट जस्ट गेसिंग पावर और नॉट जस्ट कॉमन सेंस, नॉट जस्ट हिप्नोटिज्म, देर आर एनर्जीज, yoga comes into play, sadhana comes into play. But is Noku Varmam or Noku Marmam possible in today's day and age? I don't think so, because you are not giving too much time. This requires lifetime. Can I do it? No, no way, I can't do it. In a fight, I am not going to apply this. I am going more for the punches, or I will run, I will throw stones. That is good for self-defense. But if you give full involvement, जैसे कि एक माँ अपने बच्चे को जानती है क्योंकि वो पूरी इन्वॉल्व रहती है, उसी तरीके से आप अपने दुश्मन के साथ भी पूरा इन्वॉल्व रह सकते हैं और आप जान सकते हैं कि उसको भूख लगी है, कि खाना की वो पंच मारने वाला है, कि किक मारने वाला है. सो दीज थिंग्स आर पॉसिबल इफ यू गिव टू मच अटेंशन. बी attentive, be close to nature, go green, use your brain. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. ऑलमोस्ट भूल गए थे. कराटे टीवी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आर स्टार्टिंग. लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. फॉर्म भरिए एंड गेट इन योर बेस्ट फॉर्म. इट इज रूटेड इन द मार्शल आर्ट ऑफ कराटे एंड वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम लाइक जस्ट लाइक आवर वीडियोस फ्रॉम कराटे टू कलरी, कराटे टू कुश्ती. एवरीथिंग इज देयर बट इट इज अ कंप्लीट कोर्स इन इटसेल्फ विद संगुकाई Shotokan syllabus. Karate TV online classes. Link in description. Fill the form and thank you.